Okay, this is my recording from YouTube. See how many dogs? See those dogs right there? Yep. It's unusual effect. There's a car coming. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. It's not weird at all. Sneaking up to it. That's pretty cool. Look at these people. Kidnapping me is a very bad idea. There's nobody. Cold War song. I'm gonna get copyrighted. And I do not know why. Nobody is coming here. Look at that. Another person right there. I do not know. And there's ink in my hands. I need to stop doing that shit. And they're still playing around. It has been 2 hours and they're playing. Why are they playing? It must be mother or brother or even sister relationship. By the way, there's a lot of dogs in Gulbarg. But as other hand dogs, there's so many dogs. I'm aerobic. Allah, I don't. Why are you doing that? Look at this wood stick. Dying Light, early access. Dying Light 2. Go to them or don't go to them. I got a little closer, as you can see. Look, guys, you can zoom in with your own mobile. You see that? Wait, let me get a picture. There we go. I got a picture. Picture that. Am I right? Okay. I still see them. They're over there. I don't know why I'm recording them. Satcom. It's been 20 years. Oh my god, look at how close I am to them. Is he coming at me? No way. No way. He's not coming at me, isn't he? I need to run and probe. Okay, I think he's coming at me. I'm just gonna walk a big step. Okay, he's coming. Okay, guys. Alright. Can you stop? Can you fucking stop? Can you stop? Goodness gracious. I'm not even looking at the screen. Oh no. Oh god damn it. I think he's saying something to his mother that I don't. Oh, look at how cute is he. Okay, I need to step back because I'm not. There are 4 people on one bike. Holy shit! I haven't seen that. Oh my god. So their home is over there and they come play over here. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you like this video and subscribe. I don't know why I'm saying this. Should be a subscriber in here. I'm not good at editing. Whee! Cheese. Okay, I'm getting too many close signs. Super close signs. Look at that. They're flying around. So goodbye, guys. Okay, guys, that's it. Tomorrow I'm hiding in the shadows. See.